Auckland Castle was originally built in 1183 and was a bishop's palace. From 1183, the castle was the official residence for the bishops of Durham. Built between two rivers, the Ganless and Wear, the castle sits on the edge of Bishop Auckland town. Surrounded by walls and gardens, the main chapel, which has been described as one of the finest rooms in northeast England, was originally the medieval Great Hall of the castle. Gothic and Baroque in style, the Chapel of St. Peter was remodeled by Bishop John Cosin in 1661. The pulpit, stalls, and screen were crafted by master carpenters and still remain in the chapel today. The castle also has a magnificent art collection, including the series Jacob and His 12 Sons, 13 paintings by the Spanish artist Francisco de Zurbarán from 1641. The collection hangs in the long dining room of the main palace, alongside other collections in the throne room. The castle remained in the ownership of the church until 2011. The church commission voted to sell the paintings. A large donation by philanthropist Jonathan Ruffer saved the art collection and the castle under the new Auckland Trust. Thanks to the trust, Auckland Castle is open to the public for the first time in almost 1,000 years. The gardens and deer park that surround the castle are free to explore, and the art collections can be seen and enjoyed by all.
I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.